We're doing the valve cover gaskets on this valve covers for the J Series Honda V6. Right there, my lovely little daughter wanted to be part of the video, so I put her in real quick. But yeah, I just take my time, clean up the valve covers. If you guys didn't see the last video, I'll put a link up in the right hand corner right now, and you can see the last video I did where I pull the valve covers off. It's really not that hard. I wanted these valve covers nice and squeaky clean, so I actually used 409, and then I stepped up to some gasoline to get all the grease off. That stuff was caked on, and then eventually to finish it all off I used brake cleaner. And I'll show you that here. I'll show you in the next video. I'm going to show you how to install the gasket and the oil tube seals in the next video, and there'll be a link in the description as well. So they're just using gasoline, you know, getting out the big boy guns, cleaning it up. It's not really hard. The hardest part is getting the oil tube seals out and the gasket. The gasket was really hard, like a rock. So this one here I'm working on came out relatively easy compared to the other one. The other one is the back valve cover closest to the firewall. What I did to help me out was I used a propane torch, heated up the gasket a little bit, and you'll see that here in a second, and just made it a little bit more pliable. Loosen it up a little bit. Don't worry about hurting the valve cover, because the heat that I applied to the valve cover with the propane torch isn't anything compared to the heat cycles these valve covers see day in and day out with the heating of the engine, cooling of the engine. Just popping out the oil tube seals, get a screwdriver, go underneath and just leverage it out. Sometimes they're more difficult than that to get out. I think whoever had this car last, they did the oil tube seals but didn't do the valve cover gasket. That's the Beck Arnley gasket I got from Rock Auto 036-1789. Picked that up from rockauto.com. They have really good prices on Rock Auto. I know Rock Auto has a lot of reviews that are bad, but I've always had pretty good success with them. So it's not hard. Just go around, get the oil tube seals out, all 6 of them. You're going to get both valve covers off. Valve cover gaskets off, heat it up with a propane torch, and then I get one little corner to come out, and it comes out in sections, like pieces of 1 inch, 3 inch. Just use a pair of pliers to get it off. But there you go, guys. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing to Bundy's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com, and like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.